just give brief about dimensional hierarchy, and we have a chance to create time hierarchy, right? We have a chance to create time hierarchy. Today we'll go some more concepts in the same dimensional hierarchy. We'll go with the basic steps as how to create the customer hierarchy, then followed by we'll go for how to create the products hierarchy. Once these two things are completed, then we'll go for remaining steps. Okay, right. You people need to help me in creating customer hierarchy. Anyhow, yesterday you have a chance to see how I created the time hierarchy, right? Now you people guide me. I will do the work. Okay. As for my requirement, already I given my requirement. My requirement is very clear. Customer hierarchy contains how many levels are here? This is my customer hierarchy. I have some levels. One is region, followed by district, followed by sales representative, followed by customer. These are the levels what I have. With these 4 levels, now we need to create one hierarchy that is called as customer hierarchy. To do that one, all you need to do is we need to go to your RPD. Then we have your customer, right click on this one, then create logical dimensions, then document dimension with level based hierarchy. If you click on that one, automatically we are getting 2 levels. One is called as customer total, other one is called as customer detail. As for yesterday, my point, always the first level is also grand total level. That means if I ask a question, what is the revenue I got on all customers? Then that will give answer. The next one is also always the lowest level one. What is the lowest level one in my hierarchy? Customer is my lowest level one. So I am renaming this as customer level. Now, after customer, who is the parent, sir? Sales rep. So I am right clicking on this one. Then I am going for new object. Then I am going for parent level. I am renaming this as sales rep. And you people understand actually this property should be from top to bottom, it should be in increasing order. I am giving this as, let us say 100 I am giving. Okay. Next, right click on this one, next new object, then let us say parent level. Next I am giving this as district. Then I am going for number of elements, previously I given 100, so half of that one, let us say 50 I am giving here. Okay, next district to next is what, sir? Parent level. Next one is region. Here I am giving, let us say 25 I am giving. Just like that I am giving. So that I am making sure the levels are top to bottom, it is increasing order. Here I given what, sir? 25. Here I given 50. Here I given 100. Here I supposed to give more than that one. I already have that one. Okay, whenever you are doing first time, I mean to say, right click on create dimension level based hierarchy. Automatically we got these 2 levels, right? It decides what is the bottom level and also populates this number. This is I didn't give an actual, yes or no? Automatically it is populated. Perfect. Now next job is we need to assign corresponding columns into corresponding levels. To make your clarity, I am closing this presentation layer. Go to the view menu. Then I am going for closing this presentation layer. Now I want to drag and drop region into region level, district into district level, sales representative into sales representative level. Then I have here left out with the customer. Here I am taking 2 columns. One is name column. Other one is new key column. Except these 2 columns, I am deleting all remaining columns. Okay, now I have these other levels. As for yesterday, your understanding, here how many levels are there, sir, now? 5 levels are there. We know yesterday each and every level must be contains 1 key column. So I am going region level, right click on that one, then new logical level key. Then this is for the key column, this is for the display column, click on OK. District also similarly, right click on new logical level key, OK. This also similarly, right click on new logical level key, OK. Here 2 things are there, name and new key. New key is for the purpose of key column, name is for the purpose of display column. Go to this customer level, go to the keys. Already this is pointing to which one, sir? Key column. This is key column corresponding thing. It is a primary key that is accepted. But this new key should not be what, sir? Display. That's the reason I am removing this one. Then I would like to create one more thing for the display purpose. I am creating name. Let us say this is equal to customer name. Then I am saying this is for the display purpose, but not for the primary key. Once you created that one, click on OK. Then go to the check-in changes. Click on S. Click on close. Okay, I created customer hierarchy. One more step is left out. What is the step, sir? We need to assign content logical level corresponding to this customer. Let us go for fact table. In the fact table, we have LTS. Double click on this LTS. Then go for content tab. Then what happens here? Customer dimension is there, but here I don't have what level of data with respect to customer. What level of data D1 orders to contains? D1 orders to contains. What is the column, sir? With respect to customer related column. What is the column available in this one? Corresponding to customer. What is the column available, sir? Customer key. Customer key is available in which level, sir? Here. In which level it is available? Customer key is nothing but new key, right? So new key is available in which level, sir? Customer level. That means in this fact table, I have what level of data, sir? Customer level data I have. So I need to define here content level, logical level as what, sir? Customer level, because I have customer level data. Am I clear? This point is only the new learning compared to 10G to 11G. In 10G, if you are not setting this logical level also, no issue, it will work. Okay, but in 11G, you must specifically need to specify that one. In 10G, with this concept we used to learn at the time of aggregate tables. Till that point of time, I didn't touch this topic. But in 11G, I need to touch this topic at this point of time. Okay. Click on OK. Similarly, can you create one more thing, sir? I have one more thing, that is products. I already have the requirement. The products requirement is what, sir? Product type, then subtype, then generic, then specific. Let us go and do that one. Right click on this one, then create logical dimension with level based hierarchy. Then expand this one, expand all. I have here these many things. First level is always grand total level, so I am giving as products total. This one I am giving as lowest level. Lowest level is what, sir? Lowest level is what? Specific. Right. Now right click on this one, new object, go for parent level. This is equal to what, sir? Generic. And this one I am giving as, let us say, 50. Okay. Now on top of this one, new object, next parent level. This is subtype. And this level I am giving as 25. And on top of this one, I am creating one more level, that is type level. This one is what, sir? Let us say 12. Click on OK. Now I created here four levels. Then I need to map corresponding columns into corresponding levels. I am dragging and dropping corresponding columns for clarity purpose. I am going to the view, and I am closing this presentation layer. Then drag and drop one by one column. Let us say I have here product type, and also I have here type code. These two are same level or not? So these two things I am dragging and dropping into type. Next, regarding to the subtype, I have subtype code here. Next, somewhere I have item subtype. These two columns are there. These two columns drag and drop into subtype. Next, I need to drag and drop generic description. Then the specific level, I am deleting all the columns except one is product key somewhere. Product key, and we have somewhere specific. Okay, these two things I want. Remaining all the things I am deleting. Next, I need to make correspondingly which is key column, which is display column. I know like type code is the purpose of new logical level key only to the key column, not for display column. Click on OK. Next, this is for what, sir? Product type is for display column. Click on OK. No issues. Now go and confirm everything is properly set or not. Keys, what I am doing, sir, type code is not for display, but it is for key column. Product type is for display, not for key column. Click on OK. Similarly, can you make this one? Right click on item subtype. Next, new logical level key. Item subtype is for the display purpose. Click on OK. Next what, sir? Subtype code, new logical level key. This is for the purpose of what, sir? Not display. Click on OK. Let us go and confirm this one. Double click on this one. What happened, sir, here? What happened, sir? Item subtype as a primary key. Is it correct way? Why it is came is whatever is selected first, by default that will be assigned as a primary key. That's what the system understands. In previous case, I done type code. That's the reason by default type code is understood as what, sir? Primary key. This time I done what, sir? Item subtype, that is going to over there. Always once you done the right click on new logical level key, once you done, come to this window and confirm everything is went properly or not. Don't worry, to create the hierarchy in our classroom we are giving only 5 minutes or 10 minutes of time. But in the same work we will do in company 2 or 3 days. 2 or 3 days. That is what the time I will give. Okay, we have plenty of time. Proper testing is required. So what is it, sir? Subtype code is required. Click on OK. Right, that is completed. Then here what, sir? Generic description, only the one thing is there, that is new logical level key, that is for the key column, that is for the display column. Here two things are there, product key and specific description. Specific description I am going for new logical level key is for the display purpose. Already it is acting as what, sir? Key column. But if you see that key column also has what, sir? Display, I am removing that one. Click on OK. I created this hierarchy. Then what, sir? Check in, yes, close, then save it, and we need to do one more thing also. That is what, sir? We need to assign the product level. By default, it is already set. No issues. Okay, system has some intelligence. It will capture sometimes whatever level it is corresponding to. Am I clear? Right. Click on OK. Now go to the manage. There I have one option. Sorry. View, then a presentation, this layer I am seeing, check-in changes, click S, click close. Okay, click save. Right. Now, if you see here, I have here 3 objects, right? One is what, sir? Subject area. Second one is what, sir? Presentation table. Third one is what, sir? Presentation column. Did you remember or not? While I am teaching presentation layer, I said, one more object is introduced in WebGL 11G, that is called as hierarchy object. Now this is the time to talk about that one. I created here time hierarchy, right? Why can't you can drag and drop this time hierarchy onto this time dimension? If you drag and drop, automatically we got here one thing that is called as hierarchy object. This is what my hierarchy object, time total, year, quarter, month, next day, this is what available. Why can't you can take this customer also onto customer? Customer also we got customer total, region, district, these are things. And why can't you can take products also into the picture? Products I am dragging and dropping onto products. Then products also we got, these are things that are available. Now click on check-in changes, click S. Okay, some error is showing. Presentation layer, here, problem, object is here. Next. Here has no display column. D1 here has no display column. Why so? Here has no display column. Here, this is the year. Display column is available. D1 time. See for that error, why you are getting that error. So I am seeing that error. I am saying total as years only. I would think everything will change. Year change means year also to change, year also to change. Then I am going for checking changes. Yes. Presentation table B51 supplier says time here has no display column presentation level. I have display column here. Under that objects? No, it will not come here. Columns will not come. See here, any level it is not came. Okay, let me check in this way. I am deleting this time hierarchy and I am checking in changes. Now it is working or not. Now it is working. So we come to understand the issue is something going with the time only. Let me see once again the year level. I have year key and I have year column properly and I use it for the display also properly. It is available. No issues. Any aliases is created. Is it making any problem? Now what I will do is I am deleting this aliases also. If it is doing that also, it will sometimes problem. That is the reason I am deleting. You can check in changes. Then let me drag and drop this time total onto this one. Then go for checking changes. Okay. Aliases are there. In back end we have aliases, right? That aliases are there. That aliases are making some problem. I deleted that aliases. You understand, right? What I done? What I done is nothing much job. I went here column, here aliases are there. What it is doing is it is pointing to that one. As it is previously while I am doing the renaming and all stuff, I may be doing that one. Okay, there is reason I deleted those all aliases, automatically it is gone. Nothing we done much. Are you clear, sir? What is alias, you know, right? This year column will be point to this one. But this column is actually not available in our BMM layer. That is the reason corresponding column is not available like that, it is showing error. Okay, right. Click on OK. Now no issues. Click on check in changes. Click S. Okay, click close. What is this warning, sir? Logical level specific products as defined inconsistency values. Okay. Why this error, sir? See the properties what inconsistency values in its level property number of elements. If you see closely specific level, where is the specific level? Here. In the generic level, what is the numbers are here? General tab, 50 is there. In specific level, it should be more than that or not? It should be more than that, but unfortunately, it is 1. That means it is not obeying my rule. The rule is what, sir? Top to bottom, it should be in increasing order. It's not obeying that rule. That is the reason it's throwing warning. I am giving here 100. Click on OK. Now if you go for checking changes, ideally you should not get that warning. Now you didn't get that warning. Click on OK. Right. My RPD is now perfect. I checked in also. I saved it. To override my original RPD, what I am doing, sir? Copy as. Next. What is your RPD? B151 EBA. Click on save, click on S. I did that one. Now let me go to the front end. Let me verify the report output. WebLogic. Next. RR iTech 123. Let me go for new. Then I am going for analysis. Then I am going for B151 supplier sales. Now I am verifying my customer hierarchy is working properly or not. For that reason, I am taking one column that is called as region column. Then I am taking another column that is called as dollars column. Now I am clicking on results. Now if I click on central region, you should go to where, sir? Observe only this hierarchy. Observe only this region. If I click where it should go, sir? District. I am clicking on central, that it is going to the district or not? Going to district. Next, if I click on the district, then it should go to where, sir? Sales representative. I am clicking on the sales representative, let us say lower Midwest, then it is going to the sales representative. I am clicking on sales representative, then it should go to customer name or customer key, which is the display column. Name. So I am going for that one that is automatically displaying customer name. So my hierarchy is working properly or not? My hierarchy is working properly. Similarly, can you validate product hierarchy? Let us go and do that one. I am going for new, let us say new I'm going for analysis, B151 supplier sales, click on OK. Now I am clicking on product type. I'm taking into my reports. One is product type. Then I am taking one more column, that is measures dollars. Then I am clicking on results. If I click on this product type, it should go to where, sir? It should go to where, sir? Subtype. It's going to there or not? We are working with this hierarchy now. Type I have clicked, then it should go to subtype. Here two columns are there, but my display column is subtype. This is for the only key column purpose. Now I am clicking on item subtype. It should go to next level, that is generic description. If I click on generic description, it should go to specific description. If I am trying to click on the specific description, it is not allowing me, right? Because all levels are completed. Now I will give one question. Using this hierarchy, we got one benefit. That benefit is we can take this word, sir, hierarchy object into the presentation layer. This is the one functionality which is newly introduced in 11G, right? Why they introduced this one? If you observe carefully, let us say, this is what level of data it is giving? Type wise, what is the dollars? I have your backing, what is the dollars? I have your beef, what is the dollars? I have your bread, what is the dollars? Correct. Now I am clicking on bread. Immediately what happens, sir? Remaining all totals are you missed indirectly. If I ask a question now, what is the beef corresponding total? Are you able to answer it? You need to come back. That is okay. You need to come back. But at this point of time, you cannot answer, right? By seeing the screen, you cannot answer. That means you are going to the next level, but that level totals are missing or not? You are missing. Instead of providing this kind of report, if I develop like this report, let us say I am developing like this report. I am going for product hierarchy object I am taking. This is my hierarchy object. Then I am taking sales. In the sales also I am taking measures, that is dollars I am taking. Click on results. Now if you see this report, it is giving what level of data, sir? Total my all products, what is the revenue? If I expand this one, it will give me type wise what is the revenue. Are you losing previous level, sir? Product total level is available still. Still you are able to see what, sir? This one. If I want to see the bread subtotals, click on the bread, you are able to see bread subtotals. Are you losing this beef, sir? Beef is still available. Comparatively, previous one, this is advanced or not? This is advanced reporting, this hierarchy object, that is the purpose it is created. At the same time, I can see my subtotals wherever I want, and also I can see remaining things also. Am I clear, sir? Right. This is called as hierarchy object report. This is called as what, sir? Hierarchy object report. This hierarchy object report is not available in case of our 10G. It came newly in 11G. Okay, right. Okay, we understand now clearly how to create the hierarchy. That is the one point. Second one is how to take that hierarchy object into presentation layer. Using that one, how to develop the report. That we understand clearly. Now, third one we need to understand. Till this point of time, you are working with a drill down, right? That means you are navigating from low level to high level. Now I want to go for reverse. High level to low level you are navigating, right? Drill down. Now I want to go for reverse. That is low level to high level I want to go. That is called as what, sir? Drill up. Till this point of time, we are moving only from year to quarter, quarter to month, month to day. That is called as drill down process. High level to low level we are moving. Now I want to move low level to high level. How I can do that one? What is my requirement is, like this my requirement is available. I am going for new column, analysis, B151 supplier sales. Okay. I am taking a column called as day name. Then I am taking a column called as dollars. I am clicking on results. Then I am trying to click on one day name. I am trying to click, but it's saying what, sir? No, you cannot click because it's the lowest level. But I want to click on that one. I want to move to month level. I want to move to month level. How I can do that one? The process for the drill up is, see here. Your aim is you want to click on this day level and you want to move to month level, right? So you need to do configuration something day on day level. If you double click on day level, you are already aware of what general tab. You are already aware of what is key step, right? But you don't know what is preferred drill path, right? My preferred drill path is now whenever I click on day column, then I want to move on to where, sir? Month column. So why can't you can go on add here? Click on add. Then what level you want to move? Month means month, region means region, district means district. Whatever level you want, that level you can select. Let us say I want to move on to month level. Select month. Click on select. Click on OK. Okay. Now, check-in changes. Click as. Click OK. Now, if you go for the front end, reload server metadata. I am reloading it. Once it is reloaded, and also refresh this data so that whatever you done that will be reflected here. Now try to click on this Friday. What has happened, sir? It went to month or not? Friday in all months we got. That means we are moving drill up or not? Yes. We are moving low level to high level, so it is called as what, sir? Drill up. All we are doing is here, only one thing we are doing, go to the day level and we are selecting whatever you want. Similarly, whenever I click on day level, I don't want to go to day level. I want to go to region level. Day level to region level I want to go. That means what, sir? From one hierarchy to another hierarchy I want to move. Moving from one hierarchy to another hierarchy is called as what, sir? Drill across or drill by. Now I want to do that functionality. Technically, the configuration for drill up and drill by or drill across, what do you say? Drill up, drill across, both are one and same. Technically, configuration wise, both are one and same. If you want to move to region level, what do you need to do, sir? Click on this plus symbol. Instead of month if previously selected, now we need to select what, sir? Region. We are using our common sense and we are telling this is a drill across. Because we are moving from time hierarchy to customer hierarchy, that's the reason we are saying drill across. But system wise, configuration wise, all it will see is, okay, what this guy prefer drill path. That's it. Are you clear what I'm trying to say? Now I am clicking on OK. Then I am going for check-in changes. Click yes. Once it is done, go to the front end, reload server metadata. Before that, I am going back. I am reloading server metadata. Then I am going for refresh, retrieving data. Once it is done, I am clicking on Friday. Then it should give what, sir? Region. So it is giving region means I am moving from day level to customer region level or not. So that means one hierarchy to another hierarchy I am moving. So it is called as what, sir? Drill across. It is called as drill across. We discussed now three functionalities. One is drill down, second is drill up, third is drill across. By default is what, sir, out of this? Drill down is by default. And 100% of the reports will use drill down only, sir. No requirement is came as of now, whatever projects I done. Drill up, drill across is no one is using. Don't worry. As a concept wise that is available, I want